In this video, I'm going to teach you how to allow Roblox through Firewall. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is to click the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your computer or press the Windows icon on your keyboard to bring up the Windows Start menu. From here, type Firewall and look for this setting. Allow an app through Windows Firewall. You should be able to directly click this to be redirected to the page that we're looking for, but if you don't see this, just go to the System Settings Firewall with the white shield icon. In this page, Firewall and Network Protection, find this blue link, usually at the bottom, Allow an app through Firewall. In this page, you can look for Roblox, and as you can see, I've found Roblox Studio here, and all you have to do is click on the Change Settings button. Keep in mind that you need admin privileges in order to properly change this. From here, just tick the box on the left and click OK, and then you can also tick both boxes on the right, private and public. After you do so, the changes will be automatically applied and Roblox will be allowed through Firewall. You can then close this tab and resume to playing Roblox as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to allow Roblox through the Windows Firewall. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.